Pocket, man, that motherfucker. That shit come in clutch, man, because it ain't heavy. Yeah. They're showing out today. Big ones out today. Ooh, the big dogs. They got the big dogs out. This dance 14 is nasty. Yeah, Gen 1s, Gen 2s. Like, I'm not gonna ride with a helmet and no shoes. Like, what the, he got it? Did he have a helmet on? I think he had a. Yeah, he got a helmet, but he ain't got no shoes. That's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, we're about to dip. Nah, everybody going their separate ways. Oh, there goes the cop right there. There go the popo. There go the popo. He still had his uniform on too. Yes, sir. This is my town, H-Town for the record. Yeah, this H-Town, man. Well, I'm in Orlando, Miami. Wherever I'm at, man. Culture is the same, man. We dirty south, man. All praises to the Most High, everybody got here safe. Yeah. Shout out to Dak, man. Talk more about it on the ride, about what was going on. Quick! All right, man. Be safe, man. All right, fellas. Be safe, man. Be safe, boss. So, yo, that was nice, man. That was a good turnout. Look, nobody got hurt. You know, you can't ask for nothing better than that. Oh, no, they done changed their mind. Martin Luther King Park. Yeah, so this ride was actually organized by two peeps. It was organized by a guy named DAKARAI, and
a girl named Andrea from the 210s group, and what ended up happening is that you know, a rather unfortunate thing happened. You know, rather unfortunate thing happened, and brother DAKARAI, man, he passed away, man. And this was originally his meet that he wanted to do, the boogie. And yeah, man, he passed away last week, and it was just sad, man. It was so sad. He passed away. And so the meet today, there was a change of plans. Everybody was meeting at the gas station. We met up at the gas station, as you saw, and at least half the group that showed up, it was a lot of us, as you saw. There's about another half about this same size group, and they got upset because Andrea gave the brief, and they kind of got upset, like, why are we leaving? And she basically told them that, you know, we're still going to go to the park because that's what Dak wanted to do. This is why he set up the event. We're just going to honor him by continuing to go to the event. And so they got mad, and the other group, what they wanted to do was they wanted to ride by the memorial where he got in an accident, and they wanted to hang out there some, and then just go ride, I guess. I don't know what they were planning on doing, but they didn't plan on coming to this event. And, so yeah, just a little, you know, miscommunications, and some people just not wanting to continue to do the ride or whatever. So sucks because you don't want to see people beefing. You know, it's not even anything to beef over, you know. I think Andrea just told them, like, hey, y'all can go do whatever you want to do. This is not a mandatory event. Like, we're just doing it because we're trying to honor Dak or whatever. So they didn't like that. They thought going to the memorial was going to be honoring him. And, you know, it is. You know, they can do that. Everybody showed up. Nobody crashed. So hopefully everybody can hold. Lord willing. My camera got fucked up. Lord willing, I make it home safe. Like I said, I could have just went to the park. Literally, this is 11 minutes, not even, like 10 minutes from the house, straight shot. But I took the long way around and went like almost 30 miles to go to the gas station. But it's been a good day. Woo, got the fatigues on, man. Got my Special Force Air Force Ones on, man. Yes, sir. The paracord around them, man. Like, hey, yo, these things are comfortable. I found my new riding boots now. My new riding shoes, man. I was using my army boots, but I don't like the suede getting fucked up, the tan suede getting fucked up, so switching them out and just wear these until I get some really nice official motorcycle boots. Then I'll wear something else, but these are pretty thick, they're pretty heavy duty as well. Yeah, it literally looks like the rain is about to beat down. All in all, pretty good meet. If I would have had the kids and stuff, man, I definitely would have stayed much longer. Yeah, I salute everybody on two wheels, man. I don't give a shit if you're on a moped. I don't give a shit if you're on a moped. Than I expected, but anyways, I appreciate you guys coming through, man, and supporting. Let's go on, boss.